This is part of our weekend workshop series. Once a month, we have a 2-hour different themed workshop for kids kindergarten through 8th grade. And this is our kickoff. This workshop is called The Sweet Journey of Honey. And this is all about all things bee. We want to reduce some of the fear around bees and kind of highlight their importance, highlighting what they mean to our environment, what they mean to our gardens and our food. And so we made this workshop all about honey, all about bees, all about pollination. And so we've got all kinds of different interactive activities that we're doing today to familiarize the kids and hopefully plant just a little seed of when they're with their friends and when they see a bee, that they know what that bee is doing. It's not paying any attention to them. It's just trying to get some food to take back to its community, to its hive. We'll have a literacy component where we do a reading. We have a giveaway raffle where kids leave with a book. They leave with a project, something that they've built with their own 2 hands. And hopefully they've tasted something good too.